Hello friends, good morning to everyone. My name is G. Rangabhavani, studying in 10th class of St. Joseph High School. Now, I am going to tell about one of the toughest chapters in maths, that is progression. Progressions are of two types, AP and GP. AP means arithmetic progression. GP means geometric progression. In AP, the terms will be in A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D, so on. In AP, the common difference is denoted by D. The formula to find D is T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. If the common difference is not equal, then the given terms won't be in AP. Based on the formula T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2, now we are going to do some sums. Here 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 and so on. Now we should find the common difference. This is denoted as A. A means the first term. Now how to find D? D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Here T2 is 1. Means 1 minus T1 is 3 is equal to, here T3 is minus 1 and T2 is 1. 1 minus 3 is equal to 2. In this, which is biggest number 3. For 3, what is the symbol minus? So, for the biggest number, what is the symbol? We should keep the symbol. Minus into minus plus. But we should add the numbers and we should keep minus symbol. Now, the common difference is same in the both sides. So, the common difference is minus 2. Formula number 2. The formula to find the n terms are an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, based on this formula, we will do one sum. Here, an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We don't know n. Now, A is equal to 7. An means 205. D means T2 minus T1, that is 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7, 6. Apply these numbers in the formula. 205 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into D means 6. 205 is equal to 7 plus 6 into n, 6n. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. 205 is equal to 7 minus 6, 1 plus 6n. The plus 1, if this plus 1 go this side, it will become minus. No, 205 minus 1 is equal to 6n. Means 204 is equal to 6n. n is equal to 204 by 6. 34 times. Now, we will do some 4 marks questions. They ask, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Now, first write the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is minus 150. A is 11. D is T2 minus T1. That is 8 minus 11. Means minus 3. Apply these numbers on the formula. Minus 150 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 is equal to 11 plus into minus, minus 3 into n, 3n. Minus into minus plus 1 into 3, 3 plus 3. Minus 150 is equal to 11 plus 3, 14. 14 minus 3n. Minus 150 plus minus 14 is equal to minus 3n. Minus into minus plus. We should add the numbers and keep the symbol minus. Minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. Minus minus get cancelled. N is equal to 164 by 3. .6. Therefore, n is equal to 54.6. The equation for A11 is equal to A plus 10D and the equation for A16 is equal to A plus 15D. A plus 10D is equal to 38 and A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now subtract. The symbol changes. For plus it changes to minus and for plus minus. Plus and minus get cancelled. 10 minus 15, 5. Minus 5D is equal to minus 35. Minus minus get cancelled. 5D is equal to 35. D is equal to 35 by 5. D is equal to 7. A31 is equal to A plus 30D. A means minus 32 plus 30 into 7 minus 32 plus 210. 210 minus 32. 10, 7, 1. Therefore, A31 is equal to 178. Now coming to the third problem, if the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8, which term of the AP will be 0? Third term means A plus 2D. Ninth term means A plus 8D. A plus 2D is equal to 4 and A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Subtract equation 1 and 2. The symbol get changes. Plus and minus get cancelled. Minus into plus into minus minus. 2D minus 8D is equal to 6D. 8 is the highest number. So the symbol of the 8 is minus. So we should keep here minus. 4 plus 8, 12. D is equal to 12 by 6. D is equal to minus 2. Now we know the value of D. Now we should find the A. Substitute in the first equation. A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4. If the minus goes that side, it becomes plus. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Therefore A is equal to 8. Now we should find the nth term. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 8. 8 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2. 8 plus minus 2n plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 2n. If the 10 go this side, it becomes minus 10. Minus 10 is equal to minus 2n. Minus minus get cancelled. N is equal to 10 by 2. 5. N is equal to 5. The formula to find the sum of the first n terms are Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Based on this formula, now we will do one sum. Now here we should find the sum of the first 10 terms. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 5. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 5 and N is equal to 10. Now substitute these numbers in the equation. N is equal to 10, then Sn will become S10. 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. 5 times 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5. 5 into 4 plus 45. 5 into 49. 49 into 5. 5 nines are 45. 245. Therefore, S10 is equal to 245. Therefore, the sum to 10 terms is 245. Now, given that A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 50. Now, we should find the N and Sn. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 50. The formula to find the N terms are N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 50. 50 is equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into 3. 50 is equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3. 50 is equal to 2 plus 3n. 50 minus 2 is equal to 3n. 48 is equal to 3n. N is equal to 48 by 3. N is equal to 16. Now we should find the Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 16. So S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into 3. 8. 8 into 2 into 10. S16 is equal to 8 into 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 15 into 3. S16 is equal to 8 into 10 plus 45. S16 is equal to 8 into 55. Therefore, S16 is equal to 440. Formula number 4. The formula to find the sum of all terms in an AP is the first and the last term unknown. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. A is the first term. And L is the last term. Based on the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Now we will do one problem. The first and the last term of an AP are 79 and 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what are they? Here A is 17, B is 9 and L is 350. First, we should find the nth term. Then what is the formula to find the nth term? N is equal to n plus A plus n minus 1 into D. And 350 is equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. 350 is equal to 17 plus n into 9, 9n. Minus 1 into 9, 9. 350 is equal to 17 plus 9n minus 9. 350 is equal to 8 plus 9n. 350 minus 8 is equal to 9n. 342 is equal to 9n. n is equal to 342 by 9. 27 Therefore, n is equal to 38. Now we have found an. Now we should find Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Sn is equal to n is 38. 38 by 2 into 17 plus l is 350. Sn is equal to 19. 19 into 367. 367 into 19. 9 7s are 63. 9 6s are 54. 55, 56, 67, 58, 59, 60. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 6, 33. Into 1 7s are 7. 1 6s are 6. 1 3s are 3. 3, 7, 9, 6. Therefore, Sn is equal to 6973. Hope you have understand the progression chapter. Next, we will meet with the another chapter. Bye friends.